Looks like I'm the new Roadmate ambassador. They made compact gear for folks who care about their cars. Got a few challenges left, but you know me, I don't run. I face them. Alright. Sometimes your ride's dead. No big shop, no sweat. I got a compact jump starter from Roadmate. Fits right in the glove box. Clamp it on, hit the button, and bam. Engine roars, and she's back. Easy and quick. Well, look at that. Low tire light pops on. No worries. Got my Roadmate air inflator in the trunk. Small, quick, gets the tire right. Beats waiting on some roadside guy. Now, back on the road. Yeah, took her off-road. Now she looks like she lost a fight with the mudslide. Good thing I've got my Roadmate set up. Pressure washer, foam pot, little vacuum. Now dirt's gone. Fits in the trunk, no fuss. Me, some tunes. 20 minutes, good as new. Enjoying the ride matters. But what's under the hood counts too. Treat her right, she'll return the favor. And every roaring mile, savor it like a hard-earned victory lap. And that's where Roadmate comes in. Keeps things running smooth without taking up space or time. 9 features, all in one kit. Fits right in the trunk. Works when you need it, no fuss. I like gear that doesn't get in the way. Just lets you enjoy the drive. And that's exactly what Roadmate does. Looks like you'll be seeing me around with Roadmate pretty often. Roadmate, 9-in-1 ultimate kit for your ride.